My name is Mark May, and I'm a part-time online software engineering student at the Flatiron School. Today, I would like to demonstrate for you my first project, which is a CLI project. The name of the project is Chow Now CLI. And the way that we get the program to run is we're going to type in console. And the purpose of the CLI is to allow the user to input a food category, and the program will return recipes based on that food category. This program actually performs 2 levels of a scrape. The scrapes occur at the same time to retrieve certain data that will be populated in the table for the user to see up front. So if we enter the number 1 for beef, and it's going to take a few seconds to load. What the user will see shortly is a formatted table, and the table actually returns a bunch of recipes within the beef category. The table also shows the number of reviews for each recipe, the rating based on a 5-star rating, the prep time, the cook time, and the total time for the recipe. So if we selected beef stew and hit enter, what is returned is the actual description of the recipe, the ingredients, and the directions. So the user is prompted at that point to be asked if they would be interested in seeing more recipes within the category. In this particular case, it's a beef category. So if we enter Y for yes, we're returned to the actual beef recipes. So if we selected it's chili by George, which is menu number or option number 29, same thing. It's going to return recipe, description, ingredients, directions. So at this point, if we say that we're not interested in seeing any more beef recipes, the next prompt is whether or not we want to go back to the main menu or hit X for exit. We'll decide to hit M to go back to the main menu, and this time around we will actually select a different food category. So we'll select 7 for vegan, and the same scrape process is going to take place, and this is just updating the user in terms of the progress of the scrape. And so this time around, we have a group of recipes that are based on the vegan category. So if we enter 29 for vegan brownies, here's the recipe, description, ingredients, directions. So we'll go ahead and just say no, we don't want to take a look at any more vegan recipes, and we'll hit X for exit. And that is the Chow Now CLI. Thanks for viewing.